everybody, good morning. Today is, and when I say good morning, it is early and I'm out and about already. It is 7:56. I am headed up to my physical therapy appointment this morning, which, to be totally honest, I do not feel like going to at all, but gotta do what I gotta do. I have to admit that it is really helping. There's so much tension and tightness in my neck and shoulders, and it's really helping to relieve that, and my headaches are not as intense as they were in the beginning. Oh, that sun just came around that corner. But anyway, the time is again 7:56. It is Friday, October the 30th. It's October the 30th. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's October the 30th, y'all. And it is a beautiful day. The sun is out. It has been raining for like the last week. It's been raining all week here. So to see the sun this morning is definitely a wonderful ray of sunshine. It's fabulous to see the sun. But guys, I have quite a bit to do. I'm going to be spending time with my mom today, and I'm so excited about that. So you guys, just stick around and you'll get to see what little shenanigans we're up to for the day. Yeah, right, like I'm really up to shenanigans. Anyway, you guys, let's go. Let's start this Friday off great. All right, everybody, I am back from my physical therapy appointment, and I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning here around the house and then get me a little bit of something to eat. So right now I'm going to get started cleaning. You guys are welcome to come along. Fresh and ready to go. Before I do, one of my candles blew out, and I think I've told you guys this before, that my favorite candle is the Marshmallow Fireside from Bath and Body Works. I love it. Well, when these candles, I hate it when they get down to the last little bit of the wick because it won't burn anymore. And I still have all of that candle, all of that beautiful candle scent down there that has not been burned, and so I do not throw those away. So I just wanted to show you guys really quickly what I do with that to make sure I use every bit of this $25 candle. Okay, let me show you guys what I do. Here we go. So I have a wax warmer here, a wax burner. It's already plugged up. It's nice and hot. So what I usually do is I get this and I just break this candle up. I break it up and get all of this fabulousness out of here. I mean, look at all that. That's money, y'all. And this is my favorite scent, and I don't let any of it go to waste. I mean, none of it at all. So what I usually do is I break this up, and it breaks up very easily around the wick and everything. But I break it up, and I use this knife only for my candles, okay? And like I have one right here. This is the rest of one candle that already burned out. And I simply dump it in here. I have my little storage bag for it. I put it in here. Okay, and if you want, you can even reuse this. My daughter, my oldest daughter, when she was in college, she would save my burned out candle jars, and she would decorate them, paint them and decorate them, made them all glittery to match the colors in her dorm room. And she would use these as storage, like for her cotton balls, for her Q-tips and things like that. So that was really neat. But yeah, what I do is I get them, and then I'll get a piece of this, stick it in my little wax warmer there, and it burns, not burns, but it melts and it scents the entire room. And so I have plenty of non-used fragrance left. I mean, y'all, keep this stuff. Do not throw it away. It works beautifully. Getting ready to leave now. When I come home, my room will be smelling amazing. So just wanted to give you guys that little tip if you're not already doing it or doing something else. Another option is if you have a burner or a warmer that your candles can sit on, you can definitely use the remaining candle wax that's at the bottom. All you do is sit it on top of there. Not this one, but it's one of the ones that has a plate. Warmer plate. Just sit it on top of there, and I'm sure some of you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, just wanted to share that tip with you guys. I hope it helps. All right, we are at a new store here in town, and it's called Dee Dee's Discounts. They had their grand opening a few days ago, so we're going to go inside and check them out. Yeah. And my mommy's here. She doesn't want to be on camera, though.
She just got out the car.
So to be honest, upon entry, this looks just like Ross Dress for Less stores. Yeah. Hey guys, I am back from my shopping trip and spending a little time with my mom. Went to go pick up my brother and just, spent time with family and enjoyed one another's company. So I'm back at home. I was getting ready to put up all of my items and I thought, let me show you guys what I got from this new store called Dee Dee's. Let's see, Dee Dee's Discounts. So I'd never heard of this store ever. But to me, when you go inside, you feel like you're in a Ross Dress for Less. Their prices are a bit better, I have to admit. But anyway, I got a few items. I'm going to let you guys see what I got. I didn't do too much shopping, okay? I just got a few items. So one of the first things I got was this belt. Actually, this was literally the first thing I got. This set of belts, okay? It's 2 belts, a brown and a black one. I thought it was priced really well at only $5.99, okay? I needed another black belt and brown belt. So I figured, hey, I'm going to go ahead and pick those up because that is an awesome deal. All right, so I got that. I also got a shower curtain lining. This was only $2.99. That was really good. I got this for Angelina's bathroom, which I'm hoping we'll have finished by this weekend once her shower curtain comes in from Amazon. And I will be showing you guys that. I'll share that with you later. I also got, let me show you this too. This is going to also be for her bathroom. Got this little plant here. This little cute thing was, of course, it's fake, but I thought it was really cute. It's about the same size as the one I bought yesterday at Five Below, but this one was like $1 less, priced at $3.99. I thought that was a really great deal. $3.99 for this little thing. Love it. I also got me some more storage containers. This 16 pieces, 8 containers, was $5 for those 8 containers. I'm always cooking and taking food to places and to family and things like that, so I thought it was good. I've been needing an 8-inch square pan, and this one, you guys, a really good one, really good pan, only $3.99, $4. Okay, really good pan. So I was happy to find that, really happy to find that. Oh, also, I got this shower caddy as well for Angelina's bathroom. It's going to match perfectly. And that was only $5 as well. Just $5. Okay, you all know I've told you many times before that Saison is my favorite seasoning. Well, I have never seen Saison, however you pronounce it. I've never seen it, a tropical blend right here. Look at that. Tropical blend. So, I picked this up in the food section of the store, and it was $5.99. I don't really know if that's a discount. That seems like that may be like close to regular price, if not regular price. But anyway, this is a 1.75 pounds. This is, guys, this is huge. Okay, one of my favorite seasonings, and I'm interested and excited to see what the tropical tropical blend is going to taste like. And I also got this extra virgin olive oil. You know, I always use olive oil. Well, this one has canola oil mixed with it. It's a blend. And this was only $3.99 for this large. This is 33 fluid ounces. 33 fluid ounce bottle. Really, really good deal. Is that it? Oh, also, I got me some flats, some more flats. Just some little stuff, wear around the house type stuff. Right here. Let me see if I can pull them on out. I just needed some, you know, little cheap wear around the house type flats. So I just picked those up. These were only $7.99. I got those. And I think that's it. I think that's all for my little Dee Dee's discount haul. But I'm so pleased with my purchases. We'll see what the quality of these products and things are. It's my first time shopping at Dee Dee's. And so far, I am happy about it. So this is the production that we're doing. It's going live this evening. Our students are performing, and yeah, we are watching. Angelina is on pins and needles because I'm talking during the evidence portion.
Yeah, or perhaps a deranged fan who wandered backstage.
I was gonna wait to tell him until after the show, but when I just saw him in the room, I couldn't wait any longer. I'm finally about to meet my dad. But you know, it could be the usher. Oh, I told you.
All right, guys, I almost forgot to record this. I'm having a very, very late dinner. Right now, I am eating soup, and I made myself a sandwich, another sandwich with some solar bread. Got that. Got my detox tea over on the side, so when I'm done, I'm going to sip on that and go upstairs. And then I've got me a sparkly ice drink. So that's the dinner today, guys. All right, y'all, I'm here. I'm still eating. I am getting ready to try this Quest cookie that I got the other day. So let's give this a try, shall we? All right. Quest cookie. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm sitting at the breakfast table. So I don't have any of my equipment to prop up the camera, so I'm using my centerpiece. Okay, it smells cookie-like. It smells like a cookie. It looks great. That's what I'm talking about. That's what a cookie is supposed to look like. Now, let's see if it tastes like a cookie is supposed to taste. Yeah. Not bad. You want to taste something? Nope. Angelina's gonna taste. Not bad. For a keto cookie, it's definitely a cookie. I must say, it's pretty good. It would definitely satisfy my sweet tooth. 4 net carbs per cookie. And, oh, 250 calories for one cookie. I guess it is a pretty big cookie. Anyway, all right, guys, that is it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for joining me. Tomorrow is my last Vlogtober.
It's gonna be Halloween.
I don't even care about that. It is my last Vlogtober. I went the entire month. I vlogged this entire month. Can I just brag on myself for a minute? Can I just brag? Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will talk to you in tomorrow's last Vlogtober 2020. Have a blessed and a prosperous day. Until the next time, sincerely, Legenia.
About to meet my dad. But you know, it could be the usher.